we're going to talk about miter lines. It's a technique that allows us to aid in the drawing of orthographic views. So if you have a look here at this 2D drawing, okay, it's quite simple. It is something that you've drawn previously in a textbook activity. And what we're going to do is we're going to show this miter line concept. So we're going to draw a 45-degree line that radiates kind of from the front view. And what we're going to show here is that I can use this 45-degree line to bounce off. I like to use the word bounce. We kind of reflect features from, in this case, the front view, sorry, the right side view to the top view. So let's suppose you drew the front view and then you drew the right side view, and you used your front view to check that you captured all the features in the right side view, and now you want to ensure that you're capturing each of the vertical lines in the top view. And what we can do then is use this miter line, this 45-degree line, to draw construction lines and reflect them off the 45-degree line and turn them 90 degrees to the front view. So we draw up, hit the miter line, turn 90 degrees. Go up, miter line, 90 degrees. And therefore we can reference all the features in the right side view in the top view. So we don't have to measure or count grid spaces. We can just do this method, and it works really, really nicely and efficiently. Okay, so you can almost check, error correct yourself by using the corresponding orthographic view and the miter line lines from the other balance of the views. So what we can do is, here's an example. So in this case here, I've got the top view, the front view, and I want to create the right side view. So what I do is I draw some construction lines from the top view to capture all the horizontal lines. Okay? And then draw the miter line and use the miter line to reflect or turn those construction lines 90 degrees. So I can capture those features in the what's going to be the right side view. So what I can do is, let me just use my little drawing tool here. I can now use my front view to get certain features. So here's the bottom surface, and then this surface here becomes this right side upright line here. I'm using this top plane of the front view to capture it in the right side view, and you can kind of see here that now I'm able to use the top view and the front view to draw my right side view without counting squares or measuring with a ruler. So here's what the component would look like. So you're going to need this method to attack assignment 9. It's called taper block. So the way you're presented the information, you need to use the miter line technique to draw the front, top, and right side views. There's not enough information to draw out all of the views without using the miter line technique. So you need to use the miter line technique. In assignment number 10, I'm going to give you a handout that has the front view and the right side view. You can use the miter line technique, but you have enough information here that you don't require the use of the miter line technique. So I'm leaving that up to you. You can choose to use it or not. So the other assignment which is assignment 8, has nothing to do with miter lines. It is the assignment where you will use the previously learned isometric technique for drawing cylindrical features. So you're going to take this 3-view drawing, and again, all of these handles will be posted in Blackboard in our weekly folder, and you're going to look at the 3-view drawing and create for me an isometric, and you're going to use the previously learned technique to draw the isometric cylindrical features.